Hey Google. Hey Google. Play For the Good Times by Hey Google. Play For the Good Time by Chris Christopherson.
For the Good Times by Chris Christopherson, sure. Playing on YouTube Music.
Make believe you love me. Sakit ng ulo guys. For the good times. Good night po. Sleep ka na. Uy, sakto ah.
It can't stop, I wonder.
I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know. Pakinggan ko ay noodles.
Have you ever seen
Tsaka,
down?
biniling. Pero veggie meat. Normally mga pagkain ko, pwede silang maghalo-halo. Baba. Ito, pwede ilagay dito. Laging magkakadugtong yung lasa ng pagkain. Pwede sahog. Alam nila sa babae na. Nagluto nila ako. Kain tayo guys. Okay, salamat sa nagbabagsak ha. Hi boys! Kumain na kayo? Huwag niyo akong guluhin, kumain na kayo.
I wanna know, have you ever?
Nagutom tuloy ako.
I wanna know.
Welcome to the stream guys. Welcome naman mukbang. Mukbang tuwing umaga. Medyo matagal-tagal lang din nakapag-live kasi may iwasan ako mag-live dahil salamat sa Paradors. Walang kabayo. Kaya na rin, pre. Maka, sit down, boy. Walang kabayo, di ba? Red horse lang na ba yun? Pareho lang naman, di ba? Maka, sit down. Hey, boy.
Busted flat in Baton Rouge, heading for the train.
Hi, Google. What is that song playing? Hey, Google. What's that song?
You're listening to Me and Bobby McGee by Chris Christopherson.
Rain took us all away.
Thank you po, Mami.
I took my harpoon out in my dirty ring.
Basta Mami Evangeline ha, huwag kang aasa ng bonggang performance sa akin. Hindi po kayo singer ha. Ano lang po, acoustic lang po yun.
With them
Acoustic lang po yun.
weapons slapping time.
Para meron lang proper concert.
Bobby clapping
Hindi ka kanta.
we finally sang.
Secret. Di ba ako singer?
The song that drive I knew. Freedom just another
Kaya natin, Ems.
falling, nothing left to lose. Nothing ain't worth nothing, but it's free. Feeling good was easy, Lord, and Bobby sang the blues. Feeling good was good enough for me.
Asayaw. Mami Evangeline, ano yung mga talaga? Kahit ano po sa pagkain po. Kahit egg lang at yams.
kept me warm.
Gusto ko kanta. Hey Google, play Chances by Air Supply.
The chances are all gone.
Kikinig ba kayo sa concert namin? Eh, normal lang po kami ni Carol, di ba? Ganyan naman kami.
Part of my dream.
Wala mo surprise sa concert namin.
Don't leave me here without you. I was so cold, just like a statue.
Goodbye.
Oh, being with you tonight. Every day, through the night.
Uy, thank you. Ipit lang ako.
All the time, I can't let go. I can't let go. I can't let
Smash. Morning. Coco. Morning. Lumapit na. O, sige na. Bumati ka muna sa kanila. Okay, hi. I'm Coco. I love you. I love you. O, Mas, halika, lapit. Ako po si Mushroom. I love you. I love you. Sige. Mocha, lapit ka na. Dali, Mocha. Mocha, tulog ka na? Halika, mag-hi ka lang. Alam ko tulog ka na eh, oo. Buti pa masunurin ka, matigas sa ulo. Madalas na yun. Ito pa si Mocha. Mahal ko to eh. Love you, anak. Sa mga may aso po dyan, normally nakagawian natin na when you carry a dog, paglalapag mo na, iniitya natin yung aso. Huwag niyong gawin yun. Pag kinarga mo yung aso, ilapag mo siya na maayos. Yan to. Baka magsalos siklong. Ano yan, mga kapatid niya yung mga yan. Yun yung trato niya sa mga kapatid niya. Brothers niya yung mga yan. Sa bahay namin, pag si Bert po nandun, nangingilag po sa akin. Ito, ayan, magaling na. Bert! Pinakatahimik sa kanila, Mickey Boy. Mickey Boy pang pinakatahimik. Kataho lang yung pagkailangan. It's expensive to have a lot of dogs. Actually, para po ako nagpapaaral ng college student. Para ako nagpapaaral ng college student. Monthly po, nasa 15,000 sila. Lahat ng aso ko. Maliit pa yun kumpara sa may aso. Ano gagawin after? Tutulog. Bukas kasi pupunta ako sa guys. Sa gawaan ng ng drone. MacBook yung laptop ni ate. Pwede siya sa MacBook pero kailangan mong i-bootcamp yung MacBook at matrabaho. Kasi alam niyo MacBook ko, di ba? Yung i9. Di ba sobrang bilis? Kaya lang hindi ko rin magamit din yung Valorant. So dito ako sa computer ko. Sana hindi. Makasakalin po ko ni gandang kara. Tulog na, working hard. Baka mag-edit pa po ako ng saglit. I have 3 choices after ko mag-live. I might actually play Valorant, one game, or I might do Netflix, or edit, or if not Netflix pala, I might actually watch North Korea. Na-addict ako manood ng mga Chinese film yan. Yung mga kung fu. Mag-punti nga tayo ng
We've loved these people.
Ano mo yung Eternals? Watch ko na yan, na-watch ko na. Oo. Siyempre, andun yung crush ko eh. Walaan nyo kung sino crush ko doon. Eternals. Dali. Sige, I'll tell you a little bit of a story. No, not Angelina. No, not Angelina. I always liked Angelina Jolie, pero hindi ko siya crush. Oo. I always liked her. Di ba kasi nagagalingan ako sa kanya eh. Oo. Oo. Lynn Keenan, hindi po. Wala ba sa Netflix to, Black Widow? Salma Hayek, tama. I like Salma Hayek. Oo. Bata pa ako crush ko sa Salma Hayek, guys. May pelikula sila ni Bruce Willis, di ba? Yan, Salma Hayek. Hindi siya ganong kilala sa Pilipinas eh. Yan, yung mga crush ko, Catherine Zeta-Jones, Salma Hayek, Clarice Magbuo, Nizzy! Di lang crush yun. No po. Pag nag-chat ka kasi sa atin, alagyan mo na smiley. Kaya akala nila galit ka kasi wala kang smiley. Alam mo, ano ko na yan, you can never put emotion into text. You have to read it as it is, as verbatim as it is. But nowadays, people are easily misunderstood. Kaya mami, Arlene, ang payo ko sa'yo, put smiley. Kasi napaka-straightforward mong tao. I like ang tawag doon, Mami Arlene? Ang tawag doon, yung pagiging straightforward. Oh. I like it. Kaya lang, syempre, it would soften everything kapag may smiley. Dito, tinan mo, loosen up ka dito. Diba kasi nabibiro kita. Doon kasi walang eh. Sa mga hindi po may group chat po kami kasama si Mami Arlene dahil part po kami ng isang business sa LLIC. So, sila lang eh. Mag-emoji ka, Merlin. Alam mo, Merlin, it's time for you to aralin mo yung mag-emoji kasi I was once a victim of even using the wrong emoji. Even using the wrong emoji. Oh, dati kasi I just use whatever emoji. Meron palang yan. Meron palang meron palang smiley na nakaganyan lang. Meron yung smiley pero may blush. Ay nako. May mga meaning palang I learned it the painful way. I got into a fight. Because of wrong emoji. So, aralin niyo mag-emoji. Kasi it changes the concept. Siyempre, tama ka, Marilyn, di ba? If people are reading a plain text on their bad day, bad dating sa kanila yan. But if people are reading a text, di ba, on their good day, it might be good to them. It will dawn to them good. Di ba? But if you put emoji, automatically, they don't have to interpret it. Ano emotion nito? Pag may smiley na, yung may pawis dito. Kaya ako, ang favorite emoji ko, I don't know kung nakikita nyo, yung baboy na kumakaway, Dam Keeper. Lagi yan. Teka lang. By the way, I'm part of another company now. I have 2 jobs today. As of today, I have 2 jobs. No, I sell UBS, my UBS sauce. I manage Energy FM, I'm a DJ. And I just actually, said yes to a company who wants me to oversee how the business is going. So that's what I do. You start up a company, you tell me about your business, I'm gonna tell you where it's going to fall apart. Gift ko siya. So I ask, that's my gift. You put up a business. Di ko alam ba't ako yung hindi mayaman eh. Consultant na, there's a term eh. I'm just not in my elements right now. Yeah. So, para akong white hacker, na I'm gonna tell you where it's going to fall apart. So, this and that, I'm going to tell you. Ito yung this is where it's going to fall apart. This is where you should actually put your resources to. So, yun. So, para ako yung gatekeeper. So, there's a new app, Rider Ko. Nabanggit ko sa Eric kanina yan, Rider Ko. Para siyang Grab, para siyang Lalamove. So, para siyang, ano siya, tawag nito, logistics siya. Pabili kang pagkain mo, sa ano ka, sa Rider Ko. So, bago lang siya na logistic services. Rider Ko right now. So, business po yan ni Boss Eric. Yes, tama. Pero hindi ko pa naliwanag, no? It was the business of Boss Eric. Yeah, with Decoy. So, si Boss Eric, if you remember po, Boss Eric was the one who gave me my sports car. And he passed last 2 weeks ago. Yeah. So I was part of the few people who knew about the business model when he was still alive. So when he passed, when he died, parang isa lang ako sa mga nakakaalam paano itakbo yung I miss the guy. Been really nice to me. Been really nice to me. Asawa at bahay na lang kulang. Pero tama ka, bahay. Asawa. Nandiyan lang naman siya. May lamok. Ano ba yun? Cause I've been keeping all those letters that I sent to you. Each one a line or two. Say goodbye. They're watching. Hi guys. Morning, Coco. Mickey Boy po is downstairs. Si Mickey Boy po sleeps downstairs. Ito siya natutulog. Pero si Mickey Boy, he is free to go. Ito kasi si Coco at saka si Mushroom, they're just here upstairs. At saka downstairs. No? Third floor, first floor. Second floor bila sila. Kung nag-second floor sila, dadaan lang sila para makapag first floor. Pero si Mickey Boy, the entire house is his kingdom. Sabi yun na. Nantay niya kasi ako eh. Tabi kami, magyakap kami. Tulad ka, sunda ko ha. Bye-bye guys. I hope you guys have a beautiful morning. Bye-bye na po. Magnood ako ng Black Widow, hindi ko pa nakapanood. This is my bunso. Ay, hindi na pala siya bunso. Ang bunso na ay si Bert. Morning guys. Bye-bye. Kamusta kay Glom? Sige po. Wala po siya ngayon. Nandun po siya sa mama niya. Bye-bye guys.